Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Standard 2nd, Subject Environmental Studies, Chapter number 5, Clothes. Exercise. Today we are going to solve exercise. Question number 1. Answer these questions. A. Why do we wear clothes? A. Why do we wear clothes? Answer. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from rain, heat, cold, and dust. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from rain, heat, cold, and dust. B. Why should we wear clothes? Why should we wear clothes? Answer. We feel fresh and look smart when we wear clean clothes. We feel fresh and look smart when we wear clean clothes. What is a costume? What is a costume? Answer. A particular type of dress is called a costume. A particular type of dress is called a costume. Next, D. What are uniforms? What are uniforms? Answer. We wear special clothes to work. They are called uniforms. We wear special clothes to work. They are called uniform. E. What kinds of clothes do we wear? What kinds of clothes do you wear? In summer seasons is very hot. We wear cotton clothes. In summers, we wear cotton clothes. In winter season is very cold. We wear woolen clothes. In winters, we wear woolen clothes. Third, in rainy season, we wear a raincoat and gumboots. In rainy season, we wear a raincoat and gumboots. Question number 2. Make the following pairs by drawing lines. Make the following pairs by drawing line. Number first, doctor. Look at the picture, doctor, and match fast. Very good. Second, Assamese woman. Assamese woman. Look at the picture and match fast. Third, policeman. Fourth, Sikh man. Fifth, nurse. Sixth, South Indian man. Understood? Tick right the correct option. Tick right the correct option. A. We wear dash clothes in summers. We wear dash clothes in summers. Very good. Look at the bracket. Bracket में how many options are given? Very good. 2 options are given in the bracket. Cotton / woolen. We wear dash clothes in summer. We put cotton / woolen. Very good. Cotton. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Second, we get cotton from dash seeds oblique plants. Two options are given in the bracket. Very good. Plant. We get cotton from plants. Cotton from plants. C. We wear dash clothes in winter. Very good. Cotton oblique sheep. फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट में गिवन है कॉटन ऑब्लिक शिप. शिप इज रॉन्ग वर्ड. राइट वर्ड इज वूलन. कॉटन ऑब्लिक वूलन. कट एंड राइट द वर्ड वूलन. विंटर वूलन. वी वेयर वूलन क्लोथ्स इन विंटर. वी गेट वूल फ्रॉम डैश. गोट ऑब्लिक sheep. Very good. Sheep. We get wool from sheep. E. We get silk from dash. Worm tree. Worm oblique tree. Worm. We get silk from worm. F. Cloth made from nylon is called dash cloth. Synthetic oblique natural. Two options are given in the bracket. Very good. Synthetic. Cloth made from nylon is called synthetic cloth. I hope each and everyone have understood the exercise. Now I am giving homework. Things to do. Paste oblique draw pictures of any two dresses that you wear in summers, in winters, to parties. Allah Hafiz.